Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss about our next topic. So already in the previous class we have discussed up to finding square root of given numbers by subtraction of successive odd numbers. So up to we completed. Then now we are going to find out the square root of given numbers by prime factorization method. So before that, see, already we know about Pythagorean triplets and second one primitive triplets, then square root. So in this, the fourth, to find out square root by subtraction of successive odd numbers. So this we have discussed in the previous class. So now we are going to discuss about finding the square root of a given number by using prime factorization method. So children, here then I am taking, see, they will give question, find the square root of (64) by prime factorization method. So children, very important, see here. So the given number (64). So this 64 we have to write the product of prime numbers. So then how we will get? So take 64, then first prime number is, what are the prime numbers? We know already, we have studied in the previous class. 64, the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like so on. So the first prime number we have to take. Here the given number is 64. 64 divide by 2. Means in the 2 table, 64 will get cancelled? Yes. So 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again 32. 32 also will get in 2 table. So take next 2 only. 2 16s are. Next 2 8s are. Next 2 4s are. Next 2 2s are. So here then 64 we can write as the product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2s? 6 2s. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So see, when you are writing the product of primes, in this all numbers are prime numbers only. But here 2 is repeating. Sometimes you will get 2, 3, 5, 7 like. So we have to get only prime numbers. Only prime numbers. So after getting this, first we have to make pair. So one pair, two numbers we have to take. So these two one pair, and these two one pair, and these two one pair. So after making one pair, for each pair we have to take one number. So for this pair I am taking 1 2, for this pair I am taking one more 2, for this pair I am taking one more 2. Then why I am taking? Because we are finding the square root of 64. So under root of 64, so after making two pairs, then one we should take. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So children, after getting this answer, if you have any doubt, 8 is multiplied by one more 8, means 8 into 8, then what we will get? 64. Therefore, the square root of 64 is 8. So this is the process to find out the square root by using prime factorization method. So this is small number. So sometimes they will give big one. Then see children, what we will do. Then same method, then I am giving one more example. Right. So we will take one more example. Right. Here 144 I am taking. Right children? See what we will get. So solution, same prime factorization method only. Find the square root of 144 by using prime factorization method. So given number are given that 144, then take 144, the first prime number is 2. This number will get into table, you take 2. If the given number is not cancelling, okay, I will not come in the 2 table or not getting cancelled in the 2 table, then go for 3. In the 3 table also you are not getting. Next number is, don't take 4 because 4 is not a prime number. Next prime number is 5. Only we have to use prime numbers only. So first prime number is 2. 2 7s are, 2 2s are. Again in the units place 2, it will get in 2 table. 2 3s are, if you will get here 1 carry, 2 6s are. Next 2 18s are. Next 2 9s are. So here if you take 2 in the 2 table, you can't get 9. So that's why I am taking 3, because 3 is a prime number. I am using only prime number children. Don't get confused. So now 144 we can write as 1 2 3 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this 144 we can write the product of these numbers, means 2 4 times, 3 2 times. Now we have to make pairs. Same numbers, 2 2, 1 pair, same numbers, equal numbers you have to take. Then now the square root of 144 is equals to, for this 1 pair 1 time, then this pair 1 time, for this pair 1 time. So now what we will get? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So if you have any doubt, 12 12s are, if you multiply you will get 144. So therefore the square root of 144 is 12. So children, this is okay. Then next, see children, we are going to discuss about division method. So the division method we will discuss in the next video. Okay children. So here after completion of prime factorization method, so division method is there. The same examples I will take and I will discuss in the division method.